MAIWO K3016P 2-bay NVMe docking station, tool-free Type-C to NVMe SSD enclosure for B and M.2 NVMe PCIe M.2 SSDs, support offline clone duplicator and 1 system disk copy function. 10 gigabits per second, the USB 3.1 Gen 2 docking station provides a new way to experience your USB-based hard disk. This powerful and versatile storage access device features Thunderbolt 3 USB Type-C and has the USB 3.1 Gen 2 interface, supporting 5 gigabits per second transfer speeds delivering up to 10 gigabits per second data capacity. With 1 offline cloning, you can easily start to back up your drives and transfer files to a new drive without taking any PC with you. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.